Hello everyone and welcome back to Taskade. In today's video, we will be sharing how to use time blocking in order to be more productive and set up a workflow within Taskade. Let's get started. Time blocking is a great way to be more productive. Some of the most productive people in the world like Elon Musk and Bill Gates both have foregone to-do lists and adopted this very method. Time blocking is a management method that proposes that you divide your day into different blocks and assign each block to accomplishing a specific task or a set of tasks. This is way better than a traditional to-do list since one can start each day with a concrete schedule that defines what and when a person works on something. Using these methods also improves the way of structuring a day and prevents your calendar from being too overwhelming, and it also helps in curbing procrastination. Now, to apply this workflow in Taskade, all you have to do is create a new project and name it time blocking. Next, we'll be creating 3 different categories called morning, afternoon and night respectively to plan our day. Under each of these categories, you can begin to add your tasks in order to plan your day effectively, and under the due date, be sure to add the start and the end time on each task so that you can create these blocks in your calendar. User can also add emojis by typing the colon key on their keyboard to make their projects look better. Now, once you're done adding tasks, navigate to the My Calendar section from the Taskade sidebar to see your time blocking for the day, and that's it. We also have an article with more details about this on our blog and other techniques as well, so be sure to check it out from the link in the description below in case you're interested. Well, there you go. We hope that we could explain to our viewers that what time blocking is and how users can use it in Taskade. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more productivity-based videos like these, and we'll be back with a new video soon. Taskade, simplify your productivity.